The impossible can be made possible through constant practice. Nature can be changed by nature, it being the most effective means. So, nature can be changed. Here we shall stop after reading Sri Ramakrishna's opinion on this. A man was rearing a pet dog, allowing it undue indulgence. One day when he was conversing with a learned visitor, the dog, as was his wont, jumped onto the lap of the master and licked his face. "This is no good," observed the newcomer. The remark produced a salutary effect on the man who decided then and there to train the dog properly. Thenceforth, he gave a knock every time the dog jumped up to lick his face. The sagacious animal was not slow to find out that the master did not approve of that act. He changed its habit accordingly. Similarly, the unwanted desire is a wretched dog that man has fondly reared. It dominates over him and depraves him woefully. Repeated blows in the form of counter thoughts and ideas are the only way to rectify it. So any habit we have which is against our progress can be changed by our effort, that is abhyasa. So he wants us to practice abhyasa yoga so that our mind may be made to think of God more and more and less of the world. Om Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Right. Om Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Om Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Om Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.